What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Tay, of course, and I am back with another video. And today I have my beautiful cousin,
Nay.
and today, y'all, we finna try to test this little monkey app out. I don't know how to really do it, but we finna test this thing out. So stay tuned. Scared.
Hey.
Hi.
What you playing?
GTA.
GTA.
Follow my YouTube. Oh, he said I was fine too.
We ain't had time to tell him what it was.
Those are boys.
I'm not no boy.
For the boy.
I don't know why I keep fucking laughing.
This boy said I'm a boy.
He probably talking about me.
I was never cool, had no friends, no chicks with flirts. Every school year, it's like all my
What you listening to?
Whole life they was calling me corny, stupid. I never had a dad who was there to mentor me through it. Skateboarding was my escape. It wasn't just for amusement. My
Sound
Period.
familiar.
He sound like shit. No, it sounded like some Jay-Z or something. I don't know.
No, yeah, it did sound like Jay-Z.
Ooh. Boy, you were ugly anyway. Like, ain't nobody
Right.
checking for your
He
fat
can move
ass.
the little crusty fingers.
Like, the fuck?
You gonna put his little fat fingers in the camera.
Ugly ass.
Who are these?
Katuchaba. Oh, from Atlanta, child. What they doing up there?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, little
That's
boy.
your girlfriend? What's up, little girl?
Little girl, I'm grown.
Hi, girl.
Hey, mama need to knock them panelings down off that wall. That damn panel still on the damn wall. Oh, he from Detroit, honey. I'm scared.
All these little
Hey.
kids.
Look. Oh, he waved. He had to do a double, triple. Blue, blue.
You see something you like?
Period.
Boy,
Nene, you stupid. God, is this still recording?
He said low battery.
Oh, it's still
Okay.
going. Woo. I'm gonna say, honey, lost footage.
Big, long
I hope they
freak.
can hear them.
Hey, big long freak.
Oh, he followed. Let us see your face. Oh, he just wanted some damn bananas.
I hate. Okay.
God damn. Don't nobody want to. App is currently not available. Oh, yeah, you know they said it ain't even in the app store no more.
Really?
That would it be
So
saying?
you can't even like download.
Download it no more.
Dang.
Child, they done let the light bill go past you.
You must ain't got no lights.
I got like.
Ooh, let me see your
wow.
face. You
Ask
sound like
mine.
he is on my team, girl. Oh, I'm finna get me a man. How many minutes? We almost at 5 minutes.
Hey,
What's up?
I'm tired of all these little bitty kids.
And
now.
why we can't see you? What wrong with the lights?
Ain't got no face.
This boy said,
He ain't got no damn face. What the
he
fuck?
is get on my nerves.
Nene, can you still see it? You
K
gotta make sure
hair.
you can see it.
Yeah.
K hair. That's what I'm finna say when you get up. Oh, he gonna time out. Oh, motherfucker. He must got an Android. Hey, Aaron. He from Columbus. Hey, Aaron.
You from Columbus, Georgia?
What?
You from Columbus, Georgia?
Oh, yeah, I'm from Columbus, Georgia.
Oh, Anton.
We right around the corner from you.
We like 45 minutes from Columbus.
Yeah.
Get in the camera.
Let me see your
Y'all like a
face.
couple?
Huh?
Yeah. Y'all like a couple or something?
No, we cousins.
Oh, y'all make a really cute couple, though.
running in Columbus?
I guess cousin make a dozen.
Nothing really.
Oh, let me see your face.
Get in the camera.
I'm like 12 years old.
You 12.
Boy, you ain't no damn 12 plus 30.
Yeah.
Hey, you gonna be on my YouTube channel. My voice almost went out.
YouTube.
Yeah, say hey.
Yeah,
to
you gonna be
YouTube.
on my YouTube channel.
Sub YouTube.
Go subscribe.
Quinte_BTV.
Yeah, I'll try and find you.
Huh?
You better find me, not try.
I'll try and find you.
See you
Okay.
later.
Okay.
He was nice.
Yeah, okay.
Little
We done
peanut
made us
head
a
ass.
friend.
Oh, I hope he'll follow me and see that. Oh, what's up,
Hi.
sis? Period. Your nails are so cute.
Thank you.
Hey.
Count on
This
me,
drink
I
is
will be. I feel like I'm already fucked up.
Don't get hot.
Oh my god, I should have put
Oh.
Baylor up
Look
here.
at the doggy. The dog got a name?
Simba.
Hey, Simba.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, how are
Hi.
you?
Good.
What's what you know?
What?
I ain't know what the hell.
She gotta look like, what's his name? The one that killed
Octavius.
his family. What is it, Michael
Oh,
Myers?
bitch. You gonna get on here for real?
Come on,
Where you
get
gonna
in.
sit at?
Here, I get up on this thing. Hold on, you gonna have to cut this part out till I get up here.
I know, right?
Oh, Lord.
When you see that thing hit 5 minutes, let me know. Well, how many we were doing? 3?
We did. You said 5.
5 of them.
No. Oh, yeah, you did say 5. Five,
We're gonna do
three,
like 3 or 4
4.
of them.
Okay.
Child, what he doing?
What are you doing?
He fucking did the voodoo shit.
Hey.
What is that?
Gucci, they ain't gonna be able to see you. I'm finna put both of y'all on there. Can you see him in there?
Yeah, you in it.
Hello?
Hey.
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 What's up?
Bum Douglas. What?
Bumble clock.
Don't say that shit on here, girl, and these motherfucker blow us up. Bye, Peter. I don't even know what his name was.
Did you just call him Peter?
Peter. His name Rue. Oh, he a blood. I knew
Oh.
it. Goddamn Rue blood, baby.
Okay, you might be listening to
Where
something.
y'all at? Where you at? You locked
Florida.
up? At time.
Y'all know that's a girl, right?
I don't give a damn her fine ass.
No, I was just saying.
You locked up?
Oh!
She was on a bunk bed.
It looked like she was locked up, bitch. They won't let her. Tay.
Tay.
Tay didn't pay the light bill.
A lot of people
What's so
like
fucking
that.
funny?
The fact that your fucking lights ain't on, that's what's funny. You add my foot up your ass. Ooh, ain't had it gonna fuck me up.
Oh, we got the Saturday. Who is
Jamaican
it?
dick.
Jamaican dick.
What up, bro?
What up, bro?
Man, what the fuck?
What is going on? You finna be all on YouTube. Let me see your face.
Nigga got his shirt tied up. What the fuck?
It looked like it in the
You
front
was
one.
tired,
Nigga, what the
nigga.
fuck?
Tell some what up, bro. Oh, I thought it said Ellaville.
Me too. Bryson.
Hey, what's going on, nigga?
You suck. Get a life.
Hey,
Ooh.
You the one sitting
Hey,
over there
my
playing
boy.
that regular ass video game, you stupid bitch. They had it gonna fuck me up.
She's like, who it is? Ashley.
Ashley.
From Auburn.
That ain't no, that's a he it said, Ashley.
So, Ashley, you a boy?
No, she's a girl.
Ashley, where y'all at it? Daytime? What the fuck?
Y'all in Ashburn? How's the daytime?
God damn it, bitch, I added time, you motherfucker. Drummer boy Keon. Oh, Lord.
going on, nigga?
Man, what's wrong? What up?
It was good.
What's good? Y'all niggas sucking today. But in real life.
We don't play that. We don't play. Oh, he should have stayed on that. I was going to say, we don't play no. I'll be in the child. They coronavirus down there. It's skipping a little bit. Hey.
You at work, nigga?
Oh!
You at work?
Yeah, hang up on that by that.
You at work? I'm eating noodles and shit.
Charlotte. Go ahead and try. Go to bed.
How old you in, man? How old you in, bro?
You like,
Yo mama, bitch.
Yeah, them damn BBs.
Still skipping shit. They just gonna be seeing some skip.
I'm like this. And that.
Skippy trippy. Oh shit, y'all! I done shifted the atmosphere. Okay, there you go.
I still look good. I can't see myself. I look good, baby.
I look fly.
I
I look good. Touch my. What the fuck? Everybody egg.
Hey, Zach.
What's good, bro? What you got going on?
Nothing.
What you on the game, computer?
I'm just chilling, playing some game.
Okay. Yo, what's up, bro?
He look like he about to blow some shit up.
Uh-uh.
That eye cream better be goddamn good. God damn. God damn.
Boy, he was slurping on that thing.
What's that? What's that?
He licked it.
Hey, you put that boy up, big goddamn.
Oh
That,
my goodness.
nah, that was funny.
I hope it don't be skippy. Oh, he got some good hair.
Why he look like Zay?
No, he don't. No, he did not.
He did with that fat nose.
Boy.
Oh, yeah, Zay.
Yeah.
Who you thought I said?
I thought you were talking about Lil Alice.
No.
No.
Hey.
Bad time, fuck me.
What?
What you said? It sounded like he said ad time, nigga. Your motherfucking stepdaddy, bitch. That's why your mama don't know who your daddy is.
Hey, bitch boy.
Backbone having a.
Man, hey, bitch boy. What you got going on, nigga?
Over there playing a fucking video game. Need to be at work and get off your mama goddamn sofa.
You ain't get no type of pussy. You ain't get no type of pussy, nigga. You on a out. You on a out. You ain't get no type of pussy, nigga. That's sad, boy. You ain't get no type of pussy. You on a out, my nigga. You on a out. These folk around the world, I know you ain't getting no pussy. You ain't getting no type of pussy, boy. You dry dick having that, little boy. Dry dick having that. Hey, you go have blue balls. You go have blue balls. Man, suck a dick, nigga. I'd rather be ugly and getting pussy than on this app and not getting pussy.
Ooh, boy, that man had a lot to say.
Oh, we at 7 minutes. Is that 7?
We gotta edit some stuff out anyway.
5 minutes. Oh, for cussing like this.
I would only.
I got the, but I'm gonna tell her I have to hand it to these motherfuckers.
We told her what we came.
Poppy.
Poppy skipped that, didn't he?
Probably so,
Ooh,
bitch
boy, you
ass.
heavy.
I'm sweating so damn bad. They gonna be like, Tay be drunk in all his videos. Lil Darren, what the fuck kind of name?
Why you gonna get on here and be in the dark?
Where your dad at? Cause I'd rather talk to the dad.
You a big
Oh
ass
my
troll,
God.
too. Hell no.
Daisy, Fort Morgan.
Miss Daisy.
Daisy, it say he.
It say Daisy.
He.
Oh, he's 20. Hey, Daisy.
Hey, Daisy. You confused? You okay? You alright?
Girl,
You must have been on the mushrooms. That goddamn cocaine.
You was like,
That bitch said, what the fuck? Oh shit, they about to try to drag out and then they look.
Nigga, you ain't no fucking Drake.
Damn, I wanted 2 people to get up there.
Hey, she was looking confused like she was scared of black folks. She was like, what?
Toasty, yeah.
I get this the whole thing she can do.
Oh, what's up?
What's up?
What's good?
I'm saying, where y'all from?
We from Georgia, bro. Where you from?
Where y'all from?
Every time.
We from Atlanta.
Motherfucker, he saw me at the goddamn clock.
He heard it.
You heard that bitch, boy.
Oh, he got your name.
Hi Darius.
God damn.
You like what you see?
Boy, go to bed. God damn.
He only got no purpose
Or something. All these motherfuckers on something. Cass.
They don't hurt.
Cass. Why the fuck it keep...
Hi Cass.
Going on, buddy? How you doing? You bored?
Black Lives Matter.
Oh, white lives matter.
What day?
No, I knew he was gonna get out there. He looked like he was going to a goddamn private school. You fall, Alabama.
Okay, she right around the corner.
No fuck that ain't.
You far away, for?
Damn, what the fuck this thing doing?
You're?
Hey.
Hey.
How you do? Why every time these white folks see these black motherfuckers on their phone, they want to start laughing?
No, honey.
They do.
Like they don't
They don't know what to do when they see blackness
what
coming
the
through.
fuck? I really be like, these folk race on them more. I'm goddamn, man.
They do, because someone be calling you niggas and shit.
Oh, we talking one. Boy said, are you a nigger?
Y'all niggas.
I'm a nigga lover. I'm a nigga. Black Lives Matter. Finna get out. Oh, it froze up so bad. Look at it. We still over there yonder.
Look at me. I
Let
don't
me
even know how to
refresh it.
leak 'em.
This shit gonna be all out of whack with each
We gonna
other.
be like, the video.
I'm getting hot on this goddamn shit.
Oh.
It need to be on there or something, because I'm hot.
You ain't tell me about the.
Bow!
Oh.
What the?
Giovanni.
Giovanni. Jesus Christ. Hey,
Jesus.
Giovanni.
What's up? You got nothing.
What?
We'll come over there and fuck y'all up is what we will do. I be wanting them to talk shit. Nene, look what we already did. I need to get some of that. What you call? Okay, poet for me.
Poet.
I meant pour me some.
What up?
Oh, she on that hookah. What flavor you got? Pineapple. Oh, regular bitch. Don't click off the thing while I'm talking to her. Ugly hoe.
I'm gonna want some more.
Yeah. Okay. God damn, girl, that was enough.
Billy!
Ooh.
No, it's hot. I just put the second box in there. Someone said
Ooh.
Say.
They gonna see all my business on this screen recording.
Boy, you much I gotta miss.
I got to edit that out.
Look at you. Look at you.
That's some of your music? That shit sound
That
like...
shit so slow.
Alright now.
All right with it. Because I know how to
I
rap.
need size. Oh no, I'm good. That drink bad.
Woo! That shit strong this time. I gotta put some of that
I
stuff
told
in
that
here.
that coldness left out of it.
That juice need to be in it. Sipping on the cheese. My phone about to die.
Oh,
Girl! Oh, that's a boy.
Add some time. Boy, I gotta see that move again.
Hey, I'm at time, bro. Oh man, you back?
Did it look like he was, that motherfucking suit looked hot as hell.
This man got a fucking suit on, a full damn suit on, like he finna go
Oh
to
my
church
god.
on a damn monkey.
It'd be so awkward talking to yourself on a fucking camera.
They gotta get used to it.
Anywho,
No, I be enjoying it talking to myself.
it'd be harder than what it looked like. Anyways,